Do you know what time it is? It's market update time. Let's get straight into it. Hey guys, hey traders, welcome back to another market update time. Yes, I am back on track for a little. I am back on track. I've taken a little bit of a break off and I'm getting ready to get back into it. So, do not place trade based on this video. This is just to educate you. Trading is hard, right? There's a lot more that actually goes into trading, and you know that, right? So let's actually get straight into a bit of a market update. But before I do, just letting you guys know that I'm doing something that I've never before. I'm giving away a free 7-day access to all my top trading systems, foundations, chart rating strategies, mindset strategy, everything. I'm giving away I'm giving away a 7-day free access, and I'm doing it only for a short time frame. So the very first thing in the description, guys, click on that, go check it out, because you can get access to everything, all my top systems, strategies, and processes for 7 days free to see if it's right for you. And guess what? If you're not happy with it, then you don't have to pay for it. So there you go. Anyway, so let's actually go and let's actually check out what's actually been happening with the Dow Jones. Now, the Dow Jones, I've been trading every single day. I've been watching the markets every day. Trading is phenomenal, by the way. Phenomenal. Love trading. Trading is the best. I love it. Anyway, so one thing I want to share with you guys with the Dow Jones is this. Firstly, what we want to do is every time we're looking at the markets, we always want to just say, okay, what is happening right now in the market itself? Okay, what's happening right now when it comes to just the analysis itself? And what I mean by that is just by looking at, say, the highs and the lows. So right now, okay, right now as we speak, we are getting, there's a higher high, the low, higher low. If this is another higher low right now, then right now what's happening right now is the buyers are in control. Okay, so with this market update, very simple analysis is that we're making lower highs all the way down. Now we've made a higher low, higher high, and now a higher low. This is the higher low, this is the higher high. That's showing the buyers are starting to come back in, right? We were getting these lower highs and lower lows, so the sellers are short-term in control. Now it looks like that maybe the buyers are starting to come back in, having a bit of a sideways phase through here. Not really much happening on the Dow Jones through here. Now, once again, keep it very simple, guys, okay? Sometimes even if you have to bring it back to a blank chart and take everything off the screen like this, bring it back to a blank chart and then start to do your analysis. Okay, cool. So who's in control? Because we don't ever want to trade on what we think, what we hope, or what we fear. We only want to trade of what the market is telling us right now, okay? Not making it up, but what's happening right now. And what's happening right now, we have this low, and we have potentially a high low here. It hasn't confirmed a high low yet, high and a higher high. So if we get a nice little update out of this today, basically, or basically moving through to tomorrow, then what's going to happen is that there's going to be a higher low, and then guess what? Buyers are in control. So trying to short this market right now is very risky. Buying right now is, again, you shouldn't be buying the market just because you think the market's going to go up, right? Always have a trading plan. You shouldn't just get into the market because you think it's going to go up, okay? So right now, even though the market right now, the market is on the bullish side, a lot more bullish side than bearish side. Buyers in control, higher high, higher low. If we do get a little rally up, then we could actually, and we start to break this significant low, this thing for 25,000 on the Dow, then we could actually possibly run back up to new highs again. So don't be thinking the market's going to crash and all that sort of stuff. So just read the markets, okay? Don't read anything else. Don't even listen to me, right? Just read the chart and apply that exact same analysis to every single chart you're using, whether it's a Bitcoin or hourly chart or a Forex chart. Apply that same analysis, because the market's always telling us a story. It's our job as traders to be flexible to continue reading that story, so we make sure we're going with the market, right? Because the market is a bit like a woman sometimes, right? Sometimes she's bullish, and then she changes her mind, she's bearish, and then she doesn't know what she wants to do, so she's very good. Anyway, so let's go have a look at the silver, the actual gold, silver market. Right now in the silver market, nothing really going on here. No bullishness, no bearishness. Guess, what is she today? What's going on right now? She's confused, right? She's confused. So not much going on there with silver. But what I do say is once we do get a breakout, and we're getting very, very, very tight into this apex right now, as you can see, right? This big long-term weekly apex. Once we get a breakout, it's going to be very, 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 very strong, I believe. And also on what's happening right now on gold. This is the gold chart. The gold chart right now, on the short term right now, what's happening, okay? Let's actually, all we have to do is, we can look at long-term trend lines and all that sort of stuff. What are we doing right now, guys? What are we doing right now? We're just got to go with what the market is telling us right now, all right? So what is she telling us? Is she bullish or bearish? Lower high, lower high, lower high. So right now, she's what? She is bearish, right? So the only high probability trades are short with gold right now. That's the only high probability trades. Again, guys, you shouldn't just go short because you think gold's going to go down. I know that sounds like crazy, but always have it like, just because I think, just because the chart is telling me gold is bearish does not mean I'm going to trade it. I'm still going to wait for my chart pattern, and my chart pattern hasn't formed on gold, so I'm not going to trade gold. So as you can see, right, lower high, lower high, lower high, all the way down. And so if we start to break these lows through here, guess what? The trend is likely to continue, probably back down towards these lows through here, I would say. So, again, but our job, once again, guys, our job as traders is to continue to watch the market and continue to trade the market in a way where we're being flexible and going along with it, okay? Now, remember, now there's two types of phases, or three types of phases the market goes in. We have a bullish trend, we have a bearish trend, and then we have no one in control, right? So as you can see, right, especially through here, see how there was no one in control for a while, and now we're starting to step down. So during this time through here, you'd want to stay away from this. Why? Because she hasn't made up her mind yet. So yes, dear. Anyway, guys, that's a little update for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Still bearish for short term on gold right now. Silver, once it's getting ready to break out of that big apex, don't know what's going to happen. But when it does, it's probably going to take off. And right now, as we speak right now, there's a lot more bullishness in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Also going a lot more with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq as well too. But with the Dow Jones looking bullish as well too. So only stay on the bullish camp until things change and things start to turn around, okay? That's what I'm saying there. But once again, don't trade just, I know I've said this many times, but don't trade based on what you think, hope, or fear. Don't trade, which simply means just because you think the stock market's going to rise, don't buy call options or get in the market. And just because you think gold's going to go down, don't short gold or don't buy put options on gold. What I am saying is have your trading set up. Right now, when I trade, I only trade when I have a high probability trading setup. It's the exact same setup every single time. And my job is just get better and better and better and better at trading setup. That's how successful traders trade the markets. They don't just get in because they think something's going to do. They just wait for their high probability trading setup and they jump in there. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. Remember, guys, first thing in the description, if you want to get access to all my top strategies, I'm doing a little bit of a thing going on right now. So click on the link in the description right now, guys. Go check it out, and I'll see you on the next page.